Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and installing this tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Alright, so we got our glass protector, which is the Glaze Easy Fit. This one here is an alignment tray which glides the glass for the application for a precise fit. It is designed for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The installation is made super easy by beginning to remove the protective film. So this one here is super easy. You will not get bumps, and if you do get some bubbles in there, they do provide a little tool just to move those bubbles right out. It has an anti-dust nano coating, a 9H tempered glass, OCA layer. It's got PET base, silicone resin, release film, quality you can trust. It's protect with durable tempered glass, so you don't have to worry about your phone getting scratched or broke. So you do get 2 of these cleansing cloths. You get a microfiber cloth. You also get another tool in here to clean up any bubbles if you do see any, which I think I only got a couple bubbles on the end. And then this one right here, you do get 2, so you have an extra one for another phone, or in case you break this one, you have a backup. And then this tool right here is just to get the bubbles out. So this is the first one, and then the second one is in the box. It does give you an instructions manual of how to install it, which is super easy. All you got to do is clean off the top of your phone with the provided alcohol pad. You've got the microfiber cloth to wipe off that, and then you have these little stickers to remove any dust and debris. And then you just place the alignment tool over your phone, and then you install it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of these to the side, and I'm going to install this on my phone. It makes your phone super clear so you don't have any bubbles. If you happen to get any bubbles like I did on the side of the phone, all I did was use that one tool and then just worked it way out. So right now I'm just going to grab the alignment tool after I clean my phone. So they do have some cleaning cloths. This is the lens screen cleaning cloth, which uses regular alcohol. You get 2 of them, so 1 for each screen protector. You get the microfiber cloth. So we're just going to remove this from the packet, and then we're going to open up the cloth, and then we're going to go and wipe the whole entire phone on the edges and the side. So there's dirt on this side. Just going to wipe it up just like this. You don't need to use a lot of pressure, just wipe it up to get all the dirtiness off. And then we're going to go and take our microfiber cloth and we're going to wipe off all the liquid from the phone. So now we got our microfiber cloth. We're just going to wipe up all the liquid. Make sure we get all around the edges, on each side, each corner. So now that we got that off, we're going to take out our stickers. So with these stickers, what it does, it helps get rid of these little fuzzy things on your phone. You do have 3 little ones. So you got these 2 little ones, and then you have one here at the top. It's a lot bigger. I like to use the bigger one because it covers the whole phone pretty much, and it doesn't take as much work. So we're just going to go around the edges, around the inside, make sure that there is no fuzzies around it. So once you get that all done, we're just going to go around making sure we clean it all up. It is recommended using a nice light so you can see if there's any dust on there. So once we get that done, we're going to put it back here. So we're going to use this again once we need another screen protector. So now I'm going to grab the screen protector. You see this little plastic thing? You're going to grab this little plastic thing. You're going to pull it off. Grab a piece of it, pull it off. So it will tell you which is the front and which is the back. So right here it says top. So that's going to go to the top of the phone, and the other side is going to go to the bottom. You're just going to sit it on your phone just like that. It should snap in place, and it will hold it just like that. And then it says press the number 1 and slide to 2. Wait 30 seconds. And then this is the side here. The right side is where you're going to remove this. And then you're going to lift it up. So just wait 30 seconds. Once you wait 30 seconds, go ahead and lift it up from the right side where it says remove from here. So make sure you wait for the 30 seconds. And then once that's done, we're going to go ahead and remove it. So I'm just going to give it another 1 slide. We're going to lift it up from here, and it's going to slide off. It looks like that your screen protector is coming off, but it's not. It's an extra plastic film that's on there, so you can see that it's on. I have a couple little bubbles here, so we're going to use this little tool and just push them on the way out. I got these bubbles because I didn't wait the whole 30 seconds, so we're just going to push them out. This tool is super easy. You don't got to worry about it scratching your phone because it's like a cloth like the microfiber cloth. Just going to take it, just move it around. And then I'll come back after I push these out, and then I'll show you how it looks without no bubbles. So right here, I got all the bubbles out. There was only like 4 bubbles. You can see that there's no bubbles in here. I like the fact that this screen protector is super nice. It fits the whole iPhone 15 Pro Max. I've had other ones that were either too big or a little too small. This one here fits perfectly, especially being in a case. If you're looking for a nice glass protector for your iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max, I would highly recommend checking out this one. This one's super easy to install and it lasts a good long time.